dirty diapers, pet, and food waste disposed of in thin bags leak and turn trash cans into stink pits that's full of nasty germs, which get sprayed into the air while you wash them. Now imagine having a fresh clean bin handed to you by the garbage truck every time it swings by, without using any water or chemicals. The job is done for you while you sit back, relax, and unwind. It's not science fiction, it's Baggies, the future of trash can cleaning. Trash bags today are super tough. They carry heavy loads and resist stairs. But even the large 33-gallon bags can't fit our outdoor trash containers. Clip on any bag to your Baggies frame and place it in your trash can. It's so easy. Your bag sits firmly while all the messy waste you throw away stays in and never touches your bin. Hi, I'm Sean. I focused on handing over a quality product you can trust in to hold your trash and utilize for years. Baggies is made of solid steel. It's a ½ inch thick and designed to withstand the elements and rough use. To test its durability, we drove a car over it and gave it a beating. The Baggies clips are durable and made to prevent bag cuts or punctures. They hold heavy bags in place effortlessly to prevent them from slipping loose. To replace a full bag, pull off the clips and tie it up to keep all the nasty stuff locked in before putting in a new bag. It's that simple. You avoid any risk of injury or messy accidents because there's simply no lifting or dragging of heavy bags from bin to bin. Trash cans come in so many different shapes and sizes. Baggies is designed to fit just about every bin to help you keep it clean. The open pocket or space makes it easy for you to dispose of items that do not need to be bagged. You can move Baggies to the side of your bin to make disposing of bulky items like delivery boxes and other recyclable products easier. This is a convenient way to separate waste while making sure that diaper, pet, and food waste does not contaminate items that can be repurposed into new products or end up in a landfill emitting greenhouse gases. If your bin has no raised edges to rest Baggies on, placing heavy-duty hooks on either side is a quick fix that works. It's so easy. Who wants to still hand-wash trash cans? At parties or events, add another Baggies unit to turn your trash can into a portable, contained recycling station. Here's a quick size guide. Baggies Small fits bins ranging from 21 to 35 gallon and fits bags from 8 gallon or 30 liters onwards. Baggies Medium fits bins ranging from 35 to 95 gallon or all three sizes, the small, medium and large bins, and fits bags from 9 gallon or 39 liter onwards. Baggies Medium fits 13 gallon bags, which is the most used bag in North America. Baggies Large fits in the bigger, more common outdoor trash cans ranging from 50 to 96 gallons and fits any bag from 20 gallon onwards securely.